this, I've been waiting on this for a while now. This is our inlet. Yeah, this is our inlet for our shore power. And I wanted to have shore power on the bus, that way we could plug up to like a house that we stay at or a campsite that we stay at, and we can use that power as opposed to using our batteries or our solar. In order to make that happen, I needed like an automatic transfer switch. So an automatic transfer switch basically automatically transfers the power from the outside and runs it through all your components that are in the bus, distributes it out to the accessories and so on and so forth. Because I wanted to consolidate as many like components into one as possible without spending a bunch of money, I got a power inverter. It's an Ames pure sine power inverter with an automatic transfer switch built into it. So I can hardwire that to the outlet, which is this, and then it flows through this, through the power inverter, goes to my distribution blocks, and feeds power to the rest of the bus. So that's what we're gonna be installing today. I'm just cutting the hole and wiring it in. It's super simple. I've already hooked up the power to the power inverter, which then feeds the breaker box or sub panel or whatever you wanna call it. It's a 10-2 wire, so there's only 3 wires that need to be plugged into this. So yeah, let's go cut a big hole. There's my power inverter. There's my sub panel. So this feeds that. And then this yellow cable is gonna go right there, but outside. He's awake! Hey, dude!
Say yay!
Baby distractions happen all the time.
Yeah. You say yeah? Well, we just wanted him to come say hi, and I was gonna go feed him lunch.
Okie dokie.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm okay. Oh. So power comes in from there and then feeds all the way through. Goes to the power inverter, goes to the sub panel. The sub panel feeds all of our outlets. So it's actually super simple once you know what components you need. So you need an inlet for a 30 amp because that's how much power we're generating. We're not generating anything more than 30 amps. This power inverter is a 2000 continuous, 4000 surge, peak, whatever. And it has a max output of 26 amps, so we can run our AC through it. So our AC is a max of 16 amps, so we've got a 12-2 wire feeding to the sub panel. And then the rest of our stuff are 15 amp circuits. We're not gonna be going anything over like 20 amps at any given time, so we only needed, yeah. So our cables are still stronger than our power inverter. Our power inverter will blow before our cables melt. So yeah, we're safe. So I would love to be able to test this out, but when I ordered everything, I forgot to order an adapter from a 30 amp to a 15 amp plug. So, and I don't have a 30 amp wire, so I can't really use it right now. But I think it should work. So I should be able to plug up to a house or shed, house, outlet, wherever, plug into here. So yeah, that should give us all the power we need. And then if I ever need to get like more power, we have a generator that's 3,500, yeah, 3,500 continuous, I think 4,000 peak. So that'll give us everything we need to power whatever else we need. So appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, comment below. I'd love to kind of answer as many of those as I can. But yeah, like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it. And if you could subscribe, we'd really, really appreciate it. And yeah, share with anybody that you know, because it's not about school buses, and it's not just about tiny homes or minimalism or any of those things. This bus just gives us the freedom to do what we want when we want, because we can. And all the skills that I'm learning behind this gives me the opportunity to be able to help more and more people. When I am able to help more people, I don't have to charge. I don't have to charge as much as some other people, or I can just help out people because I can, and I know how to do all these things now. So I really like that aspect of this whole situation. So yeah, thanks guys.
Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah?
Daddy's Miata Jungle Gym. Is that what that is?
Looks like it.